Hi everyone. Today we are going to see about objective in geography from Newton's objective book. So, the first question is, in India, how many states or union territories are more than two international boundaries? The answer is four. So, let's see which of the states: Arunachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, West Bengal, and Sikkim. The second question is, arrange the following hills according to their location from north to south. So here the first one is Nallamala Hills, and the second one to the south of it is Palkonda Hill, and the third one is Javadi Hill, and the next one is Shevari Hill. So the option is C. Third one, the southernmost range of India is Cardamom. So it's in Kerala. And then the fourth, which state of India touches the maximum state boundaries? That is Uttar Pradesh. And the next one, Park State is located between India and Sri Lanka. The South China dispute involves which of the following countries? So, two countries were involved, China and Vietnam. Which one of the following cities was not included in the list of smart cities? So, that is Jorhat. The Andaman group of islands and the Nicobar group of islands is separated by 10-degree north latitude. Which of the following range is the most recent one? The most recent one is Vidyarachal range. Which of the following valleys lies between Dauladar and Pirpanchal? That is Barabangal Valley. So India shared its boundary with 7 countries, and the country which share maximum is China, Bangladesh, and Nepal. So it shares with 5 states of India. Okay. And the 11th question is, which one of the following is not a part of Meghalaya Plateau? So the Meghalaya Plateau is subdivided into Garo Hills, Khasi Hills, and Janita Hills. So which one is not the part? So here they have asked which one is not the part. So the answer is Budan Hill. So West Bengal share its boundary with. So West Bengal share its boundary with. So share its boundary with 3 countries. So what are they? So Bhutan, Bangladesh, and then Nepal. So Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Nepal. So the option is D. So India is the 7th largest country in terms of size. Then 14, which of the following statement with regard to the western coastal plain of India are correct? So it is an arable, correct. It is an example of submerged coastal plain. It provides natural condition for development of ports. It has well developed deltas. So the answer is option B. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers. So it has a coastal line of 6,100 kilometer, and with the including the island, the total length of coastline is about 7,516.6 kilometer. The Patkai hill belong to which mountain range? So the answer is Purvanchal. So the Purvanchal hill include some of the hills like Dafla Hill, Abor Hill, Manipur Hill, Misra, Tiripura Hill, Garo, Kasi, Janita Hills, and also Abbar Hill, Mismi Hill, and Pakte Hill. So it comes under Purvachal. And the Indian Standard Time is calculated from the clock tower of Mirzapur. 18th one, the northern plain of India is formed of alluvial soil. 19th one, which one of the following pair of the states of India indicate the eastern and the western mode? So western it has Gujarat and eastern Arunachal Pradesh. So the option is D. Mausanram is located on which hill of Meghalaya? Kasi. And then 12th one. Beyond the dash, the Himalayas bend sharply to the south and spread along the eastern boundary of India. That is Dihang Gorge. So after that it bends sharply towards the eastern. China does not share its boundary with. So it doesn't share its boundary with. So in case of China, it shares its boundary with 5 states. So they are Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. So here the answer is Bihar. So you can remember like JHUSA. So shortly you can remember like this: JHUSA, China, JHUSA. So for JH you can take it as Jai Hind, so that you can easily memorize. So and then the 23rd question is, the part of Himalaya between Tista and Digang is Assam Himalayas, and the IST meridian passes through a number of states in India. Which one of the set of state is correct? So in case of IST, it passes through 5 states, whereas the Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 Indian states. So in case of IST, which are the states? So you can take the code word as Comac. So C for Chhattisgarh, and O for Odisha, M for Madhya Pradesh, A for Andhra Pradesh, U for Uttar Pradesh. So the last 3 one comes with Pradesh. So the answer is option D. So where Madhya Pradesh is missing. So in case of option A, Uttarakhand is added, and in B, Jharkhand is added, and in C also Uttarakhand is added, which is wrong one. So the answer is option D. 25th, which Indian state has the largest share of wasteland? So Rajasthan. And then 26, which is the highest peak in Andaman and Nicobar? Saddle Peak. Which of the following neighboring country of India is not a landlocked country? Answer is Myanmar, because Myanmar on its west has Bay of Bengal, so it is not completely landlocked country. In the northwest, India shares its land boundary with. So northwest, not in north they share with China, but in northwest, so Pakistan. India is separated from Sri Lanka by Pak Strait. The part of Himalaya lying between Satluj and Kali river is known as Kauman Himalayas. So there are many things like the regions between. So these kind of questions may be asked, so you can take note of it also. And the next one is, if a ship has to go from Chennai to Kochi, it has to go around Sri Lanka rather than crossing through the Palk Strait. Why? So the answer is B. It is too shallow for the ships to cross. And the 32nd is, how many states share their boundaries with Nepal? So the answer is 5. So 5 states share their boundaries with Nepal. So they are Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim. So you can remember the code word as UUBWS. UUBWS. So for Nepal you have to say UUBWS, and for China you said Jai Hind USA. Jai Hind, and so like India and USA. So Jai Hind and USA. And for Afghanistan, it is only Jammu and Kashmir. And for Pakistan, it has Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. So okay, here the answer is D. Which union territory in India has 4 districts, but they doesn't have a common boundary? So answer is Puducherry. What is the other name of Sahyadria range? That is Western Ghats. So in Western Ghats, the northern part is known as Sahyadria range, whereas the southern part is known as Palghat. So which neighboring country of India is also referred as Durugkul? The answer is Bhutan. Himalayan mountain range falls under folded mountain. So for residual, that is Aravalli mountain, and for block mountain, so Vindhya and Satpura ranges comes under block mountain. The Gurudwara Panja Sahib is located at which neighboring country? That is Pakistan. In which of the following category of the rock does Deccan Plateau of India made up of basalt rock fall? So the answer is extrusive igneous rock. India has the longest international border with. So the longest international border is with Bangladesh. The next longest is China, and then the next one follows is Pakistan. The last one is Afghanistan. So with Bangladesh, it shares a length of 4156 km, and with Afghanistan, it shares a length of 106 km. With which of the following country India has a dispute near Tawang? So it is China. Which of the following areas or region is more prone to earthquake? That is Ganga Brahmaputra Valley. Which of the following border is known as Radcliffe? Radcliffe is India and Pakistan, whereas McMogan is India and China. The highest peak in India, K2, is also known as Godwin Austen. And here, sunrise in eastern Arunachal Pradesh would be about how many hours before the sunrise in West Gujarat? So the answer is 2 hours. So the absolute answer is 1 hour 57 minutes and 12 seconds. So which one of the following states in India has the longest coastline? So the longest coastline is, so here the answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. So which of the following is a coral island? So the answer is Lakshadweep. And then consider the following Indian states. So largest and smallest. So that is option A, Andhra Pradesh and Uttarakhand. So southernmost point, that is Nilgiris. The mountain range lying between India and Myanmar is Lusai. So Rohilkhand lies in the northwestern of Uttar Pradesh. So the option is C. Tropic of Cancer doesn't passes through Maharashtra. So the Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 Indian states. So from Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. So you can take the quoted as a name of a person like Guram Cha Jav Tim. Okay. So Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. So the next one is the importance of dolphinos at Vishakhapatnam is. So the answer might be A or B, tourist part only, or natural protection for harbor and development of shipbuilding industry. I think the answer is mostly to C. I have doubt in this question. So, but now the tourist is restricted, so the answer might be C. And 15th one, Dash is the only active volcano in India, that is Barren Island. It belongs to Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So Sikkim became a full-fledged state in the year 1975. Chota Nagpur Plateau is primarily composed of Archean rocks, granite and gneisses, etc. So the option C. And then, which of the following mountain peak is not situated in Eastern Ghats? That is Salka, because it is located in Maharashtra, and the others are located in the Eastern Ghats. So, which is the best planned city in India? That is Chandigarh. Which lies on the longitude closest to that of Delhi, that is Bengaluru. So, Delhi has a longitude of 77 point something, and also Bangalore has the same 77 point something, whereas Pune, Nagpur, Hyderabad have 73, 79, etc. And 59th one, so it's according to sunrise, so the chronological order according to sunrise. So the answer is Agartala, Impal, Itanagar and Aiswal, and I have a little doubt in this, so please check it out. And 16th one, name the place in India where Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean, that is absolutely Kanyakumari. So coral reefs, so the coral reefs are found in Arabian Sea, so so this is Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. So here Lakshadweep islands are found. So the major coral reefs are in Lakshadweep, so Gulf of Kutch and Lakshadweep. So the option is A. Answer is option A. And the next one, why are cold deserts in India are not affected by the monsoon? Because it lies in the rain shadow region of Himalayas. So this is the very main reason. That's why the cold desert in India is not affected by monsoon. And the Hundru Falls is found in it is found in Chota Nagpur Plateau. And then the Sahyadris are popularly known as Western Ghats. State which has the longest coastal line. So here comes Gujarat. So if Gujarat is not given, then you have to consider it among the things given. Indian islands located in the Bay of Bengal. So in Bay of Bengal, they are known as Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So Andaman and Nicobar has 572 islands. So out of that, only few are inhabited, right? So out of 572, only 38 lands are inhabited. So and then Shiva Samudra Falls is found in the course of the river Krishna. And then the newly formed state Telangana is surrounded by, it is surrounded by 4 states, not 6, 4 states. So that is Maharashtra in the north, Karnataka in the west, Andhra Pradesh in the south, and then Chhattisgarh is in the east. So it is surrounded by 4 states. And 69th, which one among the following cities never get the vertical ray of the sun onto the air? That is Srinagar.